Hello, welcome back once again. In today's class, now we are going to discuss on some of the solved problems they are given in your syllabus. So let us solve those some problems which are related with your linear amplifier application as well as non-linear amplifier application. Let us try to solve them. So one by one, find the output voltage in the following circuit. The circuit is given here. In this circuit we have to find the output voltage. So what type of amplifier it is here? So inverting terminal is connected to ground through 1 kilo ohm resistor and non-inverting terminal is connected to 2 volt supply. That means that it is what type of amplifier? It is a non-inverting amplifier. It is a non-inverting amplifier, non-inverting op amp, non-inverting op amp. It is a non-inverting op amp. So for non-inverting op amp, the output voltage equation is written as V0 is equal to 1 plus Rf divided by Ri into Vi, 1 plus feedback resistor divided by input resistor into input supply voltage. So that is V0 is equal to 1 plus Rf is how much here? 2K andre 2 kilo ohm. So write that as 2 into 10 raised to 3 divided by Ri resistor is 1 kilo ohm. Here it is Rf and it is Ri. Ri resistor, Rf resistor, Ri resistor is 1 kilo ohm, so that is 1 kilo ohm into Vi is how much? 2 volt. So that means that here kilo cancels, 2 divided by 1 is nothing but 1 plus 2 into 2. So that is we get it as 3 into 2 is 6 volt. So therefore, your output voltage is how much for this circuit? It is 6 volt. Output voltage is 6 volt for this given circuit, which is a non-inverting amplifier circuit. Now let us move on to the second problem. So second problem, there are 2 op amps are given. So output of one op amp, here it is a output, we call it as, let output be V0 1 and final output be V0. So this is a first operational amplifier, one more op amp is there. The output of this first op amp is applied to the second op amp here. So now first one is, this first op amp is inverting amplifier because to the inverting terminal input supply is given. Inverting terminal ke ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ್ರಿ, input supply voltage of 3 volt is given. Non-inverting is connected to ground, means it is an inverting amplifier. First one is inverting amplifier. So find out V0 for that. And second one is, idu first op amp re, second op amp. Second op amp is voltage follower, or we call it as a buffer. Buffer, or it is a voltage follower. Voltage follower. Voltage follower. Then output of inverting amplifier, output hang baritivri inverting V0 is equal to minus Rf divided by Ri into Vi, and output of buffer amplifier is V0 is equal to Vi. Buffer amplifier V0, whatever the output voltage is there, the same input voltage appears. Whatever the input voltage is there, the same output appears in the voltage amplifier or buffer amplifier. Next here V0. So in this V0, that is we call it as a V01. So the V01 is output of this inverting amplifier. This one is inverting amplifier. For that we are calculating output V01 is equal to minus of Rf by Ri. Rf is 10K, Ri is also 10K. 10 kilo divided by K means what? Kilo. 10 kilo divided by 10 kilo into Vi is how much? 3 volt. So that is kilo cancel, 10 cancels 1. So that we get it as a minus 3 volt. V01 is 3 volt. So V0 is nothing but input of V01. So that is V0 output voltage is equal to whatever V01 is there, V01 is now 3 volt minus 3 volt. The same output we get here, V0 is also equal to minus 3 volt. ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ನೋ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೀ, ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾಲೋವರ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಟು ದ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾಲೋವರ್ ಈಸ್ -3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾಲೋವರ್. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾಲೋವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾಲೋವರ್ without change in the sign. So that is about the second problem. Next, moving on to the third type of problem here, means here we have solved non-inverting amplifiers problem and inverting as well as voltage follower problem is over. Now moving on to the summing amplifier application problems. So summing amplifier, so it is a inverting summing amplifier, as we have already discussed the derivation of that. So that is summing amplifier performs the amplification of sum of all the input signal. So that is the output is directly proportional to the sum of input signals. So that amplifier we study here. So in this amplifier, how we write the expression for this output voltage summing amplifier. So summing amplifier output voltage is equal to minus RF into V1 divided by R1 plus V2 divided by R2 plus V3 divided by R3. It is the formula for finding the output voltage. Here we have to find the output voltage. 3 input voltages are given here, 1 volt through 2K resistor, minus 2 volt, 3 volt. 3 supply voltages are applied to the inverting input terminal. Non-inverting terminal is connected to ground and there is a feedback resistor or RF. Here it is a R1, R2, R3 and V1, V2, V3 are the 3 input voltages for this summing amplifier circuit. So in this summing amplifier circuit, to find the output voltage, the formula is minus RF into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 divided by R3. Now substituting the values of these resistors, that is input supply voltages minus what is the value of RF, 2 kilo ohm. So write this as 2 kilo ohm. V1 divided by R1, V1 is how much, 1 divided by 2K, 1 divided by 2 kilo plus, but here it is a minus, supply voltage is minus, so it is minus of 2 divided by 4 kilo, 2 volt divided by 4. So that is 2 divided by 4 kilo, and next one is 3 volt divided by 6K. So that is plus of 3 divided by 6 kilo. So V0 is equal to minus of 2 kilo into LCM for this is 246. LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, 246 ಇದ್ದು 246 LCM is 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are again 2 1s are 3 3 1s are. So that is LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 is a LCM of 246, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 kilo ohm is the LCM. 12 kilo ohm means here we have to multiply with 6 in order to get 12, so that is 6. To get the 12 here we have to multiply 3, minus 2 3s are 6 and plus 3 2s are 6. So 1 plus 6 minus 6 cancels here. Therefore V0 is equal to minus 2 kilo into 6 divided by 12 kilo. So this is answer. Kilo kilo cancels here. 2 1s are 2, 6 cancels. So finally our output voltage is minus 1 volt. It is the output voltage for this summing amplifier. So this is also very very important. Next, moving on to the one more very very important type of question that is going to be asked in examination, very very important. Design of summing amplifier. Design an op-amp circuit to realize the output as this. Realize the output as this is nothing but it is a summing amplifier. So for this summing amplifier, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್, ನಾವೇ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಕಿಲೋ ಓಮ್. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನೂ ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರೀ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Find the, draw the or design the summing amplifier using given data there. Using that given data, draw the circuit diagram of summing amplifier with various notations, like your various notations like R1, R2, R3, V1, V2, V3. So that we have to connect in a summing amplifier circuit. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಪ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ V0 is equal to 3V1 minus 2V2 plus V3. So this one is given, and assume, so they have given that assume RF as how much? 10 kilo ohm. RF is given as 10 kilo ohm. By using this we have to design the op amp. Very very important question that is asked in previous 2 or 3 examinations. Main examination nag previous early examination nag kelari important question. So that is first we have output voltage equation for summing amplifier or adder. What is that output voltage equation for summing amplifier? We know that V0 is equal to minus RF into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 divided by R3. So this is the output voltage equation. So again write down your given equation minus V0 is equal to, so rewrite this equation as V0 is equal to, bring this RF inside, so then we get the equation as minus RF by R1 V1 minus of plus minus RF by R2 into V2, again minus plus into minus is minus RF by R3 into V3. So this is the same equation, we have multiplied RF with all terms. So next, so this term here comparing with our given voltage V0 is equal to 3V1 minus 2V2 plus V3. So comparing the coefficients of V1, V2, V3, comparing, so that is comparing the coefficients, of V1, V2 and V3, comparing the coefficients of V1, V2, V3. So that is here V1 minus V1, here plus V1 is there, minus V1 means in input side we have to, for summing amplifier circuit, if we draw the summing amplifier circuit, 3 supplies. So this summing amplifier, it is connected to inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is connected to ground, whereas feedback resistor of RF is connected here. So to this V0 we are getting RF is equal to how much they have given as 10 kilo ohm. So this summing amplifier R1, R2 and R3. So R1, R2 and R3. So now here comparing this coefficients, V1 coefficient is RF by R1. So RF by R1 is how much here? RF by R1 is equal to 3. Similarly RF by R2 is 2. RF by R2 is equal to 2. Similarly RF by R3 is how much? RF by R3 is equal to coefficient here 1 is equal to 1. So that means that here R1, since we know RF RF is 10 kilo ohm. Therefore, R1 is equal to RF by 3. R1 is equal to RF by 3, that is 10 kilo by 3, 3.33 something. So 10 divided by 3 means 3 3s are 9, 3.33 something. So that is 3.33 kilo ohm. So this is R1. Similarly R2 is equal to RF by 2. So RF by 2 is 10 kilo ohm divided by 2. So that is 5 kilo ohm. 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 kilo ohm. Like that R3 is equal to RF by 1. So that is 10 kilo ohm. R3 is 10 kilo ohm. So right here the values of design andre nave values ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ. R1 is how much 3.3k and R2 is how much 5k, R3 is 10k. Now see here V1 is positive 3V1. So it is a 3V1. V1 is positive here, V1 is negative, means we have to write minus V1, and V2 is minus, here also V2 is minus, means we have to write it as a plus V2. Next V3 is minus and here V3 is plus, means you have to write minus V3. So that is the design. We have to draw this circuit after calculation of your R1 R2 values, plus VCC minus VEE. So this is the required solution for this problem. Adin circuit draw madbekri. You have to find step by step these values of R1 R2 R3. After that draw the circuit of summing amplifier showing the different values of your R1 R2 and R3 along with the supply voltages no compare madbekri. So here V1 is minus, but in our given equation it is positive, means we have to apply minus sign, and here V2 both are negative, means it is a positive, and here also V1 and V3 are in opposite direction or opposite signs, means you have to use minus V3. So minus input two voltages V1 and V3 are negative, whereas V2 is positive. Such type of input voltages they are going to be applied to the summing amplifier circuit. So this is the required solution for this problem. A very important problem ridu. Design ಮಾಡೋದು very important part of examination. 5 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Next moving on to the another problem. Find out the output voltage for the following circuit. For this circuit you have to find the output voltage. 2 op amps are there. So here find out the output voltage for the following circuit, for the following circuit. Output voltage for the following circuit. ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 op amps are there, 1 2 3. So in this one op amp, first op amp output is V01. So this op amp is inverting amplifier. First one op amp is inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. First op amp is inverting amplifier. Second one is non-inverting. Input voltage is given to non-inverting. So therefore second op amp is non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier. And last, third op amp is difference amplifier. Third op amp is difference amplifier. Difference amplifier. Difference amplifier. So op amp, let output of first op amp be V01. Let output of op amp, first output be V01. Output of second op amp be V02 and final op amp be V0. So now V01 means we have to find the inverting amplifier output voltage. Inverting amplifier output voltage is V0. For inverting amplifier, minus RF divided by R1 into V1. So that is V1 is how much? 1 volt. Here in this circuit V01 is this operational amplifier, inverting operational amplifier. So in this inverting amplifier, so RF is 4K and RI is 2K. So therefore RF is 4K, 4 kilo divided by R1 is 2 kilo. So that is into input voltage is how much? 1 volt. So therefore kilo cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is we get minus 2 volt is V01. Similarly V02 output of op amp second, output of this one is output of op amp 1. Output of op amp 2 is V02. So that is inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier output voltage hang baritivri 1 plus RF divided by RI into VI. So here 1 plus RF is how much here? Feedback 6K, RI is 3K. So that is 6 kilo divided by 3 kilo into input voltage is 2 volt. Input to this is 2 volt. Therefore consider here input as 2 volt. That is equal to kilo cancel, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So that is 1 plus 2 into 2. So that is equal to 3 into 2, 6 volt. 3 into 2 is 6 volt. Therefore V01 and V02. So here V01 is how much? Minus 2 volt and V02 is 6 volt. V02 is how much? 6 volt. So difference amplifier. So difference amplifier output voltage, how we write difference amplifier is V0 is equal to minus of RF by RI, inverting amplifier minus by RF by R1 into V1 plus 1 plus RF by R1 into R3 divided by R2 plus R3 into V2. So that is V01 here we consider and V02 here we consider. Now substitute the values of these resistances. Ella resistance substitute madbekri. Final V0 is equal to minus of RF by R1. RF by R1 is 4 by 2. 4 kilo divided by 2 kilo into 1 volt plus 1 plus RF is 6 kilo divided by 2 kilo, 6 kilo divided by 3 kilo. R1 is how much? 3 kilo. 6 kilo divided by 3 kilo. RF by, sorry, here we have to consider RF by R1 is, RF is 1K. So this is the second problem, difference amplifier. For this difference amplifier, third difference amplifier, RF is 1K. So V0 is equal to minus 1 kilo divided by Ri is 2 kilo, 2 kilo, and V0 1 is how much? Minus 2 volt, minus 2 volt plus. So similarly here 1 plus RF by, RF is 1 kilo, 1 kilo divided by R1, R1 is how much here? 2 kilo, R1 is same 2 kilo, 2 kilo. So this is R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3, RF. So next 1 kilo by 2 kilo into R3 is how much? R3 is also 1 kilo divided by R2 plus R3 is 2 kilo plus 1 kilo, 2 kilo plus 1 kilo into your input voltage here at this V02 is how much? 6 volt into 6 volt. Now V0 is equal to, minus into minus is plus here. So kilo kilo cancels, 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 plus here kilo kilo cancels, 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 kilo divided by 3 kilo into 6. Kilo kilo cancels here. So that is V0 is equal to 2 by 2 is 1 plus here 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2. So here 6 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3 is nothing but 2. So that is V0 is equal to 1 plus LCM 2. So 2 plus 3 is 3 by 2 into 2. 2 cancels here, 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore V0 is equal to 4 volt. V0 is equal to 4 volt. That is the required output for this final circuit. So this is the output voltage for given problem. Istella find out madbekri. For 5 marks if they ask, first you have to find V0 find out madbeku, V02 find out madbeku. So this is difference amplifier. For difference amplifier you have to write this equation. Difference amplifier the equation baribekri. So minus RF by R1 V01 plus 1 plus RF by R1 into R3 divided by R2 R3 V02. Then go on substituting the values of RF, R1, R2 and R3. So then you will get final answer as V0 is equal to 4 volt for the required